Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make the viral Kulhad Pizza. Kulhad is a glass-shaped vessel made from the clay soil. It is used to drink tea, coffee or milk. With a hot or cold beverage, Kulhad absorbs the liquid and creates a distinct earthy flavor. I couldn't get the mitti ka Kulhad today, so I'm using the ceramic one. So let's get started. Here I'm taking 4 to 6 slices of bread. Cut them into small mini squares. Heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of butter. Immediately add 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil to avoid the butter from burning. Add in the onions, capsicum and sweet corn. Saute it for a minute. Then add salt to taste. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. Saute for a minute. Now add 100 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Add pizza or pasta sauce 3 tablespoons. Tomato sauce 3 tablespoons. Mayonnaise 2 tablespoons and mix well. Add in the grated cheese. Here I have used 1 cube of processed cheese. Combine it all together. You can add more sauces according to your choice. Add some more black pepper powder. Add in the mini bread squares and mix well. Add oregano seasoning 1 teaspoon. Chilli Flakes 1 teaspoon and combine. Now add the prepared mixture in the Kulhad up to half. Top up with some mozzarella cheese in the center. Fill the Kulhad with the prepared mixture. Top up with some more cheese. Microwave for a minute until the cheese melts. Just look at the cheese pool, how cheesy it is. If you like my recipes, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.